Got JDP video files from your iRoad dashboard camera and can't play them on your computer? This is a proprietary dashcam video format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and convert these iRoad dashcam recordings. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic JDP file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. JDP files are video recording files from iRoad dashboard cameras containing driving footage captured by the dashcam. They use a proprietary video format that includes GPS data speed, information date and timestamps, and G-sensor event markers alongside the compressed video stream for comprehensive driving incident documentation. iRoad JDP files use a proprietary container wrapping H.264 video with embedded metadata streams for GPS coordinates, vehicle speed, G-sensor acceleration, data, and timestamp information. The format includes event tagging for impact detection parking mode, incidents and manual recording triggers from the dashcam's G-sensor and controls. The standard opener for JDP is known to be iRoad Wi-Fi PC Viewer, developed by POSIS-IROAD Hong Kong. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows displays video content fluidly, but exporting or re-encoding requires editing tools. Your key starting action, right-click the JDP file and select Open With. If iRoad Wi-Fi PC Viewer is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the JDP file opens successfully. If your JDP file will not open, do not worry. Now, it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, playing an iRoad viewer. Download the iRoad PC Viewer from the iRoad website and install it on your computer. Open JDP files in the viewer, which plays the video while displaying synchronized GPS map tracking. Speed data and G-sensor graphs. The viewer provides the complete driving data visualization experience designed for iRoad dashcam footage. Next, converting to standard video. Use the iRoad viewer's export function to convert JDP files to standard MP4 format for playback in any media player. If no export function is available, try renaming the JDP extension to MP4 or AVI, as some iRoad files use standard video encoding in a renamed container that VLC can decode directly. Finally, extracting GPS data. Use the iRoad viewer to extract GPS track data from JDP files for mapping or incident documentation. Export the GPS coordinates to KML or GPX format for viewing in Google Earth or other mapping applications. This GPS data provides valuable evidence for insurance claims or incident reconstruction scenarios. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.